Hello and welcome to the Magic Pencil, part of Boggle Socks TV. My name's Andrew and this is
Ember.
And today we're going to be doing a tutorial on how to draw a Christmas tree. Shall we get started?
Yeah.
Let's begin. Okay, so let's get a black pen and about 3/4 of the way up, just about there in the middle. Yeah, what we're going to do first of all is we're just going to do like a little dot. Okay, and then we're going to do a line, a short line going up that way. And then this side, a diagonal line that way. On that side, another diagonal line that way. And then we're going to do an upside down V on that side. And that's going to be the middle of the star. So see where each one of these little lines is? We're kind of going to do like a V like that.
Right here?
And then on this one, we're going to do another V. And then another V. And then another V. And guess what we're going to do last one?
What?
Another V. So we do like another V shape there, like that. So that's the star on top of the Christmas tree. The next thing to do is just down from here, we're going to do a straight line. And then we're going to do like a curvy and then on this side, we're going to do a curvy diagonal line this way. Side, we're going to do one that's slightly longer like that. Now, can you do like a jagged, zigzaggy line?
Yeah.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do kind of a curve, but instead of drawing the curve neatly, I'm going to kind of zigzag the pen as I move. So we're going round like that, zigzag like this.
I think I can.
Yep, brilliant. Yeah. And then we're going to do a diagonal line across from there to there, but again, zigzaggy as we go. It doesn't have to be totally neat. Brilliant. Now just down from there, about here, we're going to do another curve going up, zigzaggy like this. Like that.
Right here?
Yep.
There's going to be a lot of zigzags.
Probably. Yeah, that's looking good. Alright. And then from here we're going to do more zigzags until we get to that side there. So kind of, this is going to be the tinsel. So I made my line a little bit too short, so I'm just going to join up and connect it.
Can I join it?
Yep. Okay. On this side, see where that line was? We're going to do another diagonal line out like that.
Right here?
Shapes. You can give it a little bit of a curve, like that. Across like zigzags. I'm going to do the same on this side, but I'm going to make it all the way around like that. So like this, like that.
Right here.
So let me see. Yeah, so from there going round like that. Okay. This corner down to about here, we'll do more zigzaggy lines like that.
Should I stop?
That's good. And then look, see here, we're going to do a diagonal line that way and a diagonal line like that. This along that way, doing the same zigzaggy, wobbly, spiky lines. Okay. So see that point that was that line there. We're going to make a line come out like that.
Right here?
Yep. And over here, we're going to do... Let's see. Oh, that's okay, don't worry. Just, you've got a line there, just do another diagonal line out.
Right here?
Yep. That's good. Alright. Now, we're going to do more like those curvy sort of V shapes. This point here, I'm going to do a line going down like that.
Right here?
Okay, and on this side here, we're going to do another line going down like that. Okay, and then we're going to do a circle at the end. Okay, and then we do that semicircle in the top right hand corner.
For tree trunks.
Yeah, like tree trunks, these eyes, and then we can do another little semicircle on the left hand. And middle here, we're going to kind of do like a curvy diagonal. So I'll put my finger in the middle and then we're going to go like that. Just about squeeze it in. So here, I'm going to do like a curve that side. And then I'm going to do then on this side, I'm going to do a diagonal line. And on that side, I'm going to do a diagonal line. In the middle, I'm going to do a square like that. An oval shape that side, and then an oval shape that side.
I did it.
Like that. You've already done it. Excellent. Okay, so about here, we're going to give the tree a smiley face. So I'm going to do like a sort of crescent moon shape. Like that, like it's smiling. Done. What we need to do is just add a little bit more texture. So see where this is the tinsel.
Yeah.
Where the tinsel meets the tree, we're just going to do like lines, diagonal lines coming down like that. And we kind of want them to go in the direction of where our little zigzags are. Yeah?
Yeah.
And under those zigzags, if we do help us to see that this bit of the tree is up from the rest of the tree, yeah?
Yeah. Wait.
So we're just thickening up just where the zigzags are. Here we're going to do the same, like that. Okay, and see underneath this bit,
yeah.
We'll do some more lines. I think we're ready to start. Wow, what an awesome drawing of a Christmas tree.
Thank you.
That's fantastic. I hope you enjoyed our tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you want to receive notifications,
hit the bell button in the box below.
If you enjoy our tutorials, don't forget to also give us a
big thumbs up.
Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Goodbye.
Bye.